These are the remains of the Berlin Wall. Once it divided a city, people, and the world, yet it still stands, scarred, weathered, resilient. Some structures crumbled, others endure. That's how I approach design. I don't build for today or tomorrow. I create with your grandchildren in mind, focusing on your enduring legacy. For the lasting strength that remains, the stories that will echo through generations, reminding us of where we come from and who we aspire to be. I've seen people drop 80 grand on a kitchen remodel and still feel something is missing. It wasn't the tile, it was the soul. I want my designs to resonate, to hold meaning, not just marble. Before I sketch a layout, I sit, I observe the light, I listen. I picture someone barefoot at dawn, coffee in hand, fog on the windows, feeling that gentle warmth of morning wrapping around them. That's my process. I don't just decorate, I translate how people truly live, how spaces can cradle memories and nurture connections. If you're unsure where to start, I wrote an article titled, "What Can I Do to Plan for a Kitchen Remodel?" It's filled with actionable strategies, essential questions, and most importantly, value. I lead with service, not sales, because I believe in empowering you to make informed choices that reflect your unique lifestyle. Think of Christian Dior. He crafted a dress decades ago, one that outlived its original owner and him. Now a granddaughter wears it, connecting past and present through timeless design. That's what great design achieves. It transcends time. Trends fade, but certain silhouettes remain iconic, just like a home. A kitchen with strong bones can be accessorized and modernized, yet it never loses its elegance, its essence. Design is deeply intimate. It's the soft click of a drawer gliding like silk, the light that caresses your cheek as you pour a glass of wine, the aroma of rosemary on a cutting board, the sound of a simmering pot and your own calm breath, reminding you that life unfolds in these quiet moments of connection and reflection. I'm not here to make you like your kitchen. I want you to crave it, to feel it, to linger in it, to make it yours in ways you can't fully articulate, where every detail speaks to who you are. I once worked in showrooms that it began to feel like I was dressing mannequins, not people. Now I design for those with a heartbeat, for those who want to feel alive in their space, who seek connection and authenticity in their surroundings, who desire homes that reflect their values and experiences. If you're still here, you're not just looking for tips. You're searching for something enduring, something that resonates with your spirit. Subscribe to discover how design connects to memory, sensuality, sustainability, and your real life. Not a stage version, but the authentic one you live every day. I'm not an influencer, I'm a designer who knows how to craft legacy, who understands that every choice contributes to the narrative of your life. And if that's what you seek, welcome. Good design doesn't shout, it seduces. It builds wealth without even noticing, transforming your daily life into the life you've always desired, where every moment feels intentional, enriching, and true to you. That's what I care about. That's my mission. If you're ready to create something that outlasts trends, I'd love to help you begin this journey together.